In today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to draw a crab. So grab a pencil, cancel your plans, put on your artist pants, and let's discover cartooning. Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Malcolm Monteith from discovercartooning.com, a website with online courses, resources, and free tutorials, everything you need to get started drawing cartoons. And today we are drawing a crab. And to do that, you gotta draw a circle. Or you could be like me and just draw a whole bunch of circles, like 50 circles here. But then if you squint your eyes, it might just look like one circle, which is nice. We're going to give him some nice big poppy round eyes. So just one circle there, and a bigger eye, a bigger circle over there. So we just got a bunch of circles, both different in size for a bit of asymmetry. Okay, now let's connect them. Alright, now we're gonna make this circle here more angular. So I'm just gonna cut out some lines. And now it looks like it's kind of like an octagon now. Just to add a bit more interest. Okay, now let's put in his pupils. And his legs. Put one leg there, one leg there, and one leg there. And we'll do the same on the other side. Alright. And we'll give him some nice big claws. So I'm going to start with a giant apostrophe. There we go. And then we'll put a little apostrophe next to his giant one. And now let's join it with the main body. Okay, let's now do it on the other side. Another apostrophe and a little baby apostrophe next to it. And again, let's connect. Okay, now he hasn't been eaten yet, so he's a very happy crab. So let's give him a nice big smile. If you're a crab and you haven't been eaten, then you're doing well in life. Okay, now let's refine. Refine the lines. It all starts with basic shapes. And now I'm refining these into something that looks more crabby. Okay, now let's use the rest of this circle here to give him some more crabby features, like a wavy shell on his back. Alright, great. Okay, and I'm sure crabs don't have such nice white teeth, but we'll put some in, with a tongue as well. Okay, and finally, maybe some floaty eyebrows. Just a few eyebrows floating in the middle of nowhere above our crab. Whoa, actually, I don't like this one. Let's get him out of here. Let's try it again. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, alright, I'm pretty happy with this. I'm going to start inking soon, I reckon. Just putting these little things here. And refine these some more. Alright. That's a sweet looking crab. Let's give him some ink. Right, and I'll just fill in some shadow areas just to put in some contrast. Okay, he's looking pretty solid. I'm now moving on to the details with my naughty little thin pen. So I'm just giving this guy a bunch of spots. And his claws need some teeth, I reckon. Alright, we've put in the main shapes with the thick pen, the tiny details with the thin pen, and now we're going to move on to color. First a bit of yellow, and then the red. And here I'm just blending in the red over the yellow, creating a gradient of red, orange, and yellow. And now here I'm using my purple pencil to add in some shadows. Never stop at one layer with your colors. If you keep putting layer over layer, the colors will become more vibrant. Okay, and we are done. We have just drawn a cartoon crab. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you just want to say hello, you can leave that down below too. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the future. Ciao. That was today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a naughty little thumbs up. And my question to you is, what would you like to learn to draw in a future video? Leave any requests you may have in the comment section. If you're interested in enrolling in any of my online courses, just follow the link in the description below. You'll have a variety of courses to choose from, such as how to draw pirates, dogs, male faces, female faces, robots, and old school vintage 1920s style cartoon animals. It's a good time. Finally, if you want to keep learning cartooning from me and or have a weird, insatiable desire to have your busy day interrupted on a regular basis, hit subscribe and ring that bell for notifications. Thanks so much for watching. Stick around, because another episode of Discover Cartooning is coming right up.